Doesn't it look delicious? Watch full video for trying it yourself.
Hello guys, welcome to Taste and Life. Before we move to our new tasty recipe, please click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Today we are going to make Choco ice cream. Let's see the ingredients now. So you will need milk, half cup, fresh cream, 1/4 cup, milk powder, 2 tablespoons, which is optional, sugar, half tablespoon, vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon, and biscuits of your choice, which will be about 15 to 20 pieces in total. So now add all the biscuits in the bowl. Roughly break all of them into small pieces like this. Add those broken biscuits in a grinder. Also add sugar in them and grind them well. Add the milk powder and mix. Now add milk and mix well into a paste. Now add fresh cream and vanilla essence. Now the mixture is ready. We will require this kind of consistency for a creamy ice cream. Now take the molds. I am using this kulfi mold, but no need to worry. If you don't have these kulfi molds, you can also use a small glass, or you can even use paper cups like this. I'm gonna make in all of these so that you get to know how to use them. Now pour the mixture in each mold and cover. For glass and paper cups, you will have to cover them with a foil in this way. Cover it from all the sides. Once all of them are ready, place them in a refrigerator and keep for about 4 to 5 hours. Or you can also keep it overnight. Take out the Choco Kulfis carefully. Just look at it. Isn't it tempting? Look at them, so creamy. Similarly, take out the ice cream from glass and cups into a serving bowl. You can just tear out the paper cup and put the ice cream into the bowl. Look how easy it is. Your Choco ice cream is ready.
Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.